अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। सब न्यूज़ की डिप्लोमेटिक असाइनमेंट के साथ मैं हूं शबीर हुसैन। इस वक्त हम पाकिस्तान नेशनल काउंसिल ऑफ आर्ट्स में मौजूद हैं, जहां पे यूरोपीय यूनियन और मेंबर स्टेट की जानब से यूरो विलेज का इनकाद किया गया, जिसका मकसद पाकिस्तान और यूरोपीय यूनियन के दरमियान पाई जाने वाली मुश्तरका और बाहमी इक़दार का फ़रोग़ है। इस हवाले से हम मज़ीद जानेंगे फ़ॉरेन डिप्लोमेट से कि इसका मकसद और अगाज़ मकासद के बारे में आपको मज़ीद सुनवाएंगे कि इसका मकसद क्या है और ये क्यों इनकार किया है। आइए चलते हैं। इस वक्त हमारे साथ डैनिश एम्बेसडर हैं, इनसे जानते हैं इस यूरो विलेज के इनकाद के हवाले से कितना अहम है ये सोशल नेटवर्किंग को बिल्ड अप करने से।
Look at the wonderful Pakistani population coming out to meet us here in the Euro Village. The purpose, of course, is to engage, to be out there, meet with the wonderful Pakistani people, and also to showcase our countries and show all of the great things that we do together. One thing that we do have in common is our attention to climate change, building more resilient countries in order to mitigate the effects of climate change, both on a national basis but also globally. Been here for almost 2 years now. I absolutely love it. I'm here with my family and we have traveled around to Lahore and Karachi, and we enjoy everything from the wonderful people to the very exotic food, and we will stay here for much longer, we hope, inshallah.
A great event for us, taking into account that the economic development and the cultural development and everything was getting momentum after getting into European Union. Now we are organizing this for the 6th time in Pakistan, and what we want to show is that the European Union is a unity in diversity. It's diversity of the culture, diversity of the economy, political, and so on. And we would like to interact with the Pakistani people to show them how European Union is working, how European Union is formidable, one of the most formidable political and economic constructions of all time, is working. And interconnectivity is very important for Pakistan too, taking into account that the region where Pakistan is situated is one of the least interconnected regions of the world. So European Union can be a model for Pakistan and the country in the region to form a coalition.
Okay, let us know what the common between the Pakistani culture and the European Union. A few things that you can describe it. What's the common in it?
Well, we have a common, in fact, we have the common that we have Pakistani and European Union a lot of talents. And just 2 months or 3 months ago, we had an important event in Pakistan, in Islamabad and Lahore, where European Union artists from 7 or 8 countries like Romania, France, Italy, Bulgaria came here and interacted with the Pakistani artists. And they sing their own songs on the stage, but at the same time they sing together. And that was a confluence between the Pakistani art, Pakistani culture and European Union culture. The culture is universal, the culture is global. So there, only the talent is a difference. And you have a lot of talents here, we have talent there. So I think that we need to meet each other, to exchange experiences, to exchange talents, and to learn from you, from the Pakistani art, and Pakistani art to learn from the European Union art. So it's a lot of work for intercultural changes between the European Union and Pakistan.
इस वक्त हमारे साथ यूरोपीय यूनियन डेलीगेशन के बहुत मेंबर मौजूद हैं, डैनियल लिकास। इनसे बात करते हैं और जानते हैं इस इवेंट के बारे में कि ये इवेंट का मकसद क्या है, इससे कौन सी कल्चर डाइवर्सिटी को हम अप्रोच कर सकते हैं, हाउ वी कैन बैलेंस दिस सोसाइटी विद दिस काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी। हेलो मिस्टर डेलीगेट।
Hello, how are you?
Thank you to join us. Let us know about this event. What is the aim of this event and how you think that should be planned for this community?
So the idea of Euro Village is to show to the Pakistani audience what Europe is, right? The diversity of the 27 member states that exist, 12 of which are here at Euro Village today, to show a little bit of their culture, of their food, of their traditions, through a very playful, family-friendly.
Okay, how important you think this kind of activity build a very sustainable and a peaceful society?
Well, I think when you understand that you're stronger together as
a group of very different people that are very diverse in how they live their lives, but you're stronger together when you're sticking together, when you don't focus on conflicts and tensions, but you think about how can we come together, how can we respect each other and strive for the better good. I think that's a principle that is universal and that works for the European Union, but I think also for Pakistan.
Okay, thank you, Daniel. Let us know about this truck is behind. What's the interesting things that you feel in it?
Well, the truck for us is, of course, that's one of the most amazing Pakistani art pieces, right? The truck art is so rich, so fascinating, and the colors, the stories that are on these trucks. And so the EU truck is to showcase EU-Pakistan friendship. And actually this truck, after the Eurovillage today, will go around the country to bring the European Union to the people in different cities, from Karachi all the way up to Gilgit, so they understand better what the EU is about and what the EU is doing.
हमारे साथ यूनिसेफ के रिप्रेजेंटेटिव हैं फिलिप्स, और हम इनसे जानते हैं कि इस इवेंट के बारे में ये क्या समझते हैं, क्या तासुरात हैं, और ये इवेंट कितना हेल्पफुल हो सकता है कल्चरल एक्सचेंज के सिलसिले में. तो इनसे बात करें. हेलो मिस्टर.
Hi.
Good to thank you for joining us. Let us know that you are in a Euro village. How you would see the potential of exchanging such event, the cultural thing. How you would describe this event?
It's such an exciting event. It demonstrates the celebration of cultures across Europe. Particularly, I'm so amazed at the different foods and snacks that are served in different countries of Europe. And then also to meet here friends like the press here, not only in the flood response, but also we get to meet here. So it's a wonderful place to be.
Okay. How important it is for the building up a peaceful and sustainable society. How important such events can play a very significant role in a peace building.
This kind of event fosters peace building. It fosters strengthening of relationships between Europe, different countries of Europe, and of course Pakistan. I see here, I think over 80% of the guests here are Pakistanis. So it's good for them to learn, the cultures of Europe, and this fosters better relationship.
Okay, let us know that how you describe Pakistani culture while living in Pakistan, meeting the people, how you would say?
Pakistan is such a wonderful country, a very friendly country, rich culture, a country with very rich culture, and then also a country that is very diverse language and diverse cultures. So it's always good to celebrate diversity, because that's where we find a niche to foster unity in a country like Pakistan.
How would you describe this event and the track art? How you would feel it about this?
I'm very proud that we were able to have a truck in the traditional truck art style that celebrates Pakistani relations. That is the whole point.
How do you think that this activity, the Euro Village, can build a very peaceful society to exchange of diversity and cultural things with European Union and Pakistan? This initiative, do you think it's a better and it should be more in coming years to come for the sustainable society?
Yes, and the whole point of Euro Village is to show Pakistan, part of Pakistan, what Europe is all about. So it's all about unity and diversity. And that's something that Pakistan is about as well. So we are inviting the public here so that they can learn about different European countries, cultures, languages, play games, have fun, and do it in a fun way.
Your Highness, when you were a really short video on social media, and it was really appreciated by the people of Pakistan, especially the people of KPK. And your style was, like the Pathan, and pushing on the tires, and then driving here. It was fantastic. How you would explain your sentiment and culture, keeping in mind your European Union settings? How you would react to that particular style?
Well, we wanted to do something that would touch the heart of Pakistanis, that would be familiar, but also use it as a way to invite people to Europe and talk a little bit about Europe.
Okay, what was the aim of this event that you the member state of the European Union had played this event. What we are expecting to come out of this event?
You know, a lot of people know about the European Union, and they know about specific member states, but they don't know how many we are, the smaller ones or the bigger ones. You know, and we wanted to open Europe to.
Let us know about this event, aim of the event, and what you are expecting that outcome of this event.
Well, this event is actually a show of the European Union and its member states. You know, 17 are represented here. 12 of them are currently here with information about culture, sport, food, and everything. So the idea is to present Europe, the EU, to Pakistan. And the particular event this year is, you see it on the flag and everywhere around, we celebrate 60 years diplomatic relations with Pakistan. So we do it all together, and it is a very, very big event for us.
Okay, let us know that how important do you think such events can play a very significant role for exchange of culture, religions, and other things between Europe and Pakistan?
Well, first of all, it is for us to explain to the citizens of Pakistan who we are, what we are, and why we are who we are, and how it comes all together. I think it's particularly important these days where Europe finds itself surprisingly back in a situation of war. So we are very happy to have partner countries like Pakistan with which we can increase our cooperation against this terrible background at home, and therefore we value this very much. And as I said, it is an introduction, a presentation of who we are.
Okay, we are being introduced of your European Union culture here, this all about the event. Let us know that you are living in Pakistan, what kind of the culture you experience in Pakistan, and you have visited so many areas, I think. So how you would describe the culture of Pakistan and the people of Pakistan?
Well, the first thing, and I should say I have been here now for 2 years, the first thing is the hospitality. People come and say hello to you, don't even know who they are. And they offer you help, assistance, or whatever. That's one very particular thing. The other thing is the colors. Look at the truck art. This country is colorful. It's multiplied, it's multifold. It's amazing, actually, with all the different parts of the countries. People from Balochistan are totally different from Sindhi people, not to talk about Gilgit in Baltistan. So it's a bit like the European Union as well. You have provinces, we have member states with a lot of differences, different cultures, and it is lovely to see this all here.
Okay. What you would say that such events can play a role for building up a sustainable society? Do you think such events is a way forward towards a peaceful and a prosperous society?
Well, the event today is, as I said, first of all, to explain to people who we are. The event itself is not more than that. But we have obviously a policy with the country to work together on cooperation. We work together on climate change these days very much. And it's not only to bring money, it's to work together with Pakistan how to best prepare for the next floodings, which will come. And to cooperate also on other things. We cooperate with Pakistan on counter-terrorism. Is an area that is not so well known. So beyond this event today, we have daily cooperation with the government, with parliament, with opposition, with NGOs, with CSOs, with think tanks, yes, and also with the religious communities.